Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on lock screen and security. As you can see here we've got the fingerprints option, so let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock your device with the fingerprint. You will have to add the permissions, that the data for your fingerprint will be saved only to your device, and that you will be able to delete it. So simply tap on next. And here we have to add an additional screen lock. If you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now because it is a second way to unlock your device, and be sure that you will remember it, because if you will forget it and for some reason the fingerprint won't work, then you won't be able to unlock your device and you will have to erase all the data using the hard reset operation. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. Okay, simply tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Now we have to, now we can actually decide what kind of notifications will be shown on the lock screen. So we can show all notification content, hide sensitive content, or hide all the notifications. Just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked just like here. So let me pick, for example, to hide all notifications, and now let's tap on apply. Now all we have to do is simply find the sensor, which is located on the power button on the side of our device, and all we have to do right now is simply to place our finger on it. So let's do it, and as you can see I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Okay, now we have to add the sides of our fingerprint in order to add it fully, of course, for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see we just added our fingerprint to this device. If you'd like to add another, just tap on add more, if not, just tap on OK. And here we've got in the fingerprint settings, this is the finger we just added. We can remove it by tapping on the trash bin icon, or we can tap on it and rename it if you'd like to. So if you will add much more fingerprints, then it will be a good idea to rename them in order to then recognize them. So let me rename it. If you'd like to add a fingerprint, just tap on add fingerprint. Under it we've got some options, so here you can decide if you'd like to unlock your screen with the fingerprint. Now it is active, obviously. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher here, but let me leave it like this. What's more, here you've got the content lock, so here you can show locked content in the gallery and quick memo plus with your fingerprint. So here you can actually lock particular apps. What's more, here you've got the screen unlock when screen is off, so it means that unlock screen even when the screen is off by placing your finger on the power key. So let me leave it like this because it will help us to check if it is working. So let's lock our device, and now let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, this device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint. What's more, after locking it and trying to unlock with another fingerprint, it will not work, but here you can also unlock your device with the pattern or pin you just set. So now I can unlock it with my pattern. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.